Looking to download Zoom on your computer, whether you're preparing for work, online classes, or staying connected with friends and family, downloading Zoom is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Zoom in 2027. So let's get started. First, launch your favorite web browser, such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before downloading the installer. Next, go to the official Zoom Download Center. This is the safest and most reliable place to download the latest version of Zoom. Yeah, downloading from the official website helps avoid outdated or unofficial files. Locate Zoom Workplace for desktop and click the download button. Your browser will begin downloading the installation file automatically. And of course, check your system requirement for Zoom downloading. The file is usually saved in your Downloads folder unless you've chosen a different location. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder or click the downloaded file directly from your browser. You'll usually see a file with Zoom in its name. At this point, Zoom has been successfully downloaded. To install it, simply double-click the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. Windows may ask for permission before the installation begins. Finally, confirm that the installer downloaded completely without any errors. Once that's done, you're ready to install Zoom and start using it. So, you've successfully downloaded Zoom to your computer, and that's how to download Zoom in 2027. Downloading the installer from the official Zoom website only takes a few minutes and ensures you're getting the latest version. Once the download is complete, you're just a few clicks away from joining your first meeting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.